Our secret? We never stop improving because we love challenges. Geicos means reliability, innovation, Italian quality. We produce automatic and manual industrial parts washers that are always excellent thanks to the expertise of our team. We use solutions and cutting-edge technologies to meet every washing need, such as the Washer 1800 e-Power with its rack and pinion basket and pneumatic opening. We choose only high-quality materials, such as AISI 304 stainless steel, and follow high design standards. We customize our machines to your needs, and to ensure you get the performance you need, we test each machine individually. Our machines allow you to use all types of detergents on the market, and we particularly promote eco-friendly products. We believe in sustainable development, which is why we adopt solutions that protect the environment and the workers. With Geicos Group, you can get competitive commercial conditions, fast deliveries all over the world thanks to our network of suppliers, and an always present assistance from the choice of the machine up to after the sale. Technological excellence is our trademark, continuous improvement our mission. Geicos Group is your cleaning solution.